Namaskar class. Okay, today we are going to start with a new topic. Okay, first of all, tell me which is the time when you get new clothes, we eat so many special dishes, and we exchange gifts with our family members and friends. Yes, this is the time of celebration or it's a time of festivals. Okay, so today our topic is celebration time. Today our topic is celebration time, and in this I will tell you about the three type of festivals. Okay, first is religious festival, next is national festival, and third is harvest festival. Now look at the board everyone. So today our topic is celebration time, and there are three type of festivals. First is religious festival, national festivals, and harvest festivals. Now today we will going to discuss about the religious festival. What do you mean by religious festivals? Yes, religious festival means which a particular celebrated by a particular religion. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about Diwali. We are going to discuss about Diwali festival. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights, and it is celebrated in the month of October or November. And Diwali is celebrated by Hindus to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years. And this time people they used to decorate their homes and office with diyas and candles. And this is the time when we exchange gifts with each other, and we exchange sweets also. We offer sweets to our friends also. And people celebrate Diwali by praying Goddess Lakshmi and God Ganesha. And people also make rangoli with flowers and colors. And this time the children they used to enjoy bursting crackers also this time. But when you have to burst this cracker in the presence of your adults or your parents. Okay. Now next festival which we are going to discuss, that is Holi. So Holi is a festival of colors, and it marks the welcome of spring season, and people play with colors and water balloons this time, and they used to eat special dish which is known as gujia. How many of you love gujia? Yes. So we used to eat gujia during this festival Holi. Okay, and we should not play with chemical color. We should always play with organic or natural color, because if you will play with the chemicals, na, it will harm your skin. Okay, now next religious festival is Dashera. And Dashera is celebrated to mark Lord Ram's victory over the demon Ravan. And Dashera is also celebrated for 10 days. It is celebrated for 10 days. It marks the victory of good over the evil. And this time people they used to burn the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran. And Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. At many places, Ram Leela is also enacted. It means it is a play which shows the life of Lord Ram. Okay, so this is the Dashera festival which we celebrate for 10 days. After that, next religious festival is Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates brother-sister's affection. Means it shows the bond between brother and sister. On this day, sister used to tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist, and they pray for the long life and happiness of their brother. And brother they used to give gifts or money to their sisters as a token of their love, and they promise to help their sister in the time of need. Next religious festival is Eid. Next religious festival is Eid, and Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. On the day of Eid, people they used to wear new clothes and they used to go to mosque to offer prayers, and they wish each other Eid Mubarak and eat the dessert called sevaiya. As we eat gujia during the Holi, in the same way we used to eat sevaiya during the Eid festival. Now next religious festival is Gurpurab. Next religious festival is Gurpurab. The Sikhs celebrates the birthday of their 10th Guru as Gurpurab. Okay, special importance is given to the birthday of their first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. On this day, people go to Gurdwaras and they used to listen Kirtans. And they take out procession and eat from a common kitchen. Means they used to sit in the same kitchen and they used to eat langar. Okay. And next, everyone favorite festival is Christmas. And Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. On this day, people go to church. Christmas, they decorate Christmas trees and sing carols. And this is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ, right? And children believe that Santa Claus will come and comes at the midnight and present gifts to them. And people they used to exchange gifts and eat plum cakes. Okay, this is the time when we eat lots of cake. It's made up of plum. Now next religious festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. It is also celebrated for 10 days. As we are celebrating Dussehra for 10 days, in the same way we used to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi also for 10 days. And it is basically celebrated in Maharashtra. On the last day of the festival, idols of God Lord Ganesha are taken out in procession and immersed in water bodies. Means हम जो है उनकी मूर्ति को 10 डेज के बाद पूजा करते हैं 10 डेज, और फिर लास्ट डे वी यूज टू टेक द मूर्ति ऑफ लॉर्ड गणेश जी एंड वी यूज टू इमर्ज इन वाटर बॉडी so that he can come next year again. Okay, so people make sweets called modak. This time people they used to make modak and they offer them to Ganesh ji. Now next religious festival is Durga Puja, and Durga Puja is also a festival which we celebrate for 10 days. As we are celebrating Dussehra for 10 days, we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi also for 10 days. In the same way, we used to celebrate Durga Puja also for 10 days. And on the 10th day, idols of goddess Durga. In this, we are immersing the idol of Lord Ganesha ji. And in this Durga Puja, we used to immerse goddess Durga in water bodies. Okay, Durga Puja is widely celebrated, especially in West Bengal. We used to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra, and we used to celebrate Durga Puja in West Bengal. Now, next is Mahavir Jayanti. So this festival is celebrated basically by Jainis, and it is the birthday of Lord Mahavir. Now next religious festival is Buddha Purnima. Okay, so Lord Buddha's birthday is celebrated as Buddha Purnima, and people visit temple to listen to mock talks and recite the teaching of Gautam Buddha on this day. So once again we will revise. So religious festivals, revise with me everyone. That is Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Gurpurab, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima. Now in next class we will revise about the national festivals. Today we have done religious festival and tomorrow we will do national festival. Till the time, enjoy your day. Bye.